Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Godzilla Labubu combo. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Labubu, let's begin with the eyes. So I want to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making that little smiley face shape for the top of the eye. And then I'm going to make another one right here, just going down and then up. Next, for the actual eye, I'm just going to bring a line that's just going to come down and up in like an oval shape. And we'll do that same thing here. Let's just go down and then up in that shape. Then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit on each side. Next, let's draw another oval shape inside of the eyes. Then I'll put a small circle at the top of each one for like the reflection. Right here, let's make a small oval shape in between the eyes for the nose. For the mouth, let's draw a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to curve up in a nice big smile. Then let's go ahead and draw some sharp pointed teeth right across the bottom of the mouth. So we're going to bring these all the way up to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a zigzag line. And then I'll put a couple more zigzag lines here. Next, I'm going to curl this line around. And then I'm going to bring it up to here for the head. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little points like this. Then I'm going to curl this line down and make a few more points. Then I'm going to bring this around and up to here. Make a couple more points, and I'm going to connect it up to here. Now for the ears, let's bring a line that's going to come up and then down. And we'll make another one that's just going to go up and then down. Then I'm going to make a small shape right inside of there that does the same thing. Just go up and down. Now for this arm, let's bring a line that's going to come down and then out here. I'm going to curve down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up. And then one more that's going to go down and then up here. I'm going to bring this over and then up. Now for the body, let's bring this line down. And then bring this line down here. Let's curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line out and in. We'll go out and in for a toe. And then we're going to go out and in one more time, and we're going to bring it over to here. Let's curl this up for the back of the foot. Then we're just going to curve this and we'll stop right about there. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to come down for the back and the tail. Then we're just going to bring this over to here and connect it. We'll make that other leg just curve a line down. We'll bring a line that's going to go out and in, and then one more out and then into here. Then let's just go ahead and make a little curve line across each one. Then over here, we're going to bring this line out and down for this arm. We're going to bring this up, and then we'll go one more. It's going to go down and up.
Then I'm going to make a little curve here, and then we're going to bring this line down. Now for the spikes, let's just go ahead and let's make a line that's going to go up and down, up and down. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down like this. We'll do another one. Let's go up and down, then up and down, and up and down. We'll repeat this here, but we'll make it a little bit smaller. And then we'll do one more right here. Then the last thing, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. We're going to jump to here, and then we're going to come all the way down. And then finally, we'll add some little claws onto each of the fingers. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Labubu Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.